Hello beauties, welcome back to the channel. My name is Tiepher, and if you're new here, please, you're very welcome. Today's video going to be making a neutral look. If you're interested in the video, please give it a thumbs up, share your comments down below, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed. And I put a question on my Instagram asking whether I should do a neutral or a dramatic look, and many people suggested for me to do a neutral look. I don't know why, but suggested for me to do a neutral look. So guys, we're going to continue with the voiceover, and I always begin with cleaning my canvas. And for the eyebrows, I'm going to line up my eyebrows using Davis number 18, and I always follow the shape of my eyebrows. And for the upper side, I create the shape I want, but always remember to be smooth. And to create more details on my eyebrows, I'm going to add Carrot. It's an eyebrow powder in a shade black. And to conceal my eyebrows, I'm going to use a leg up for concealer in a shade Cool Tan. And for the upper side, I always use dark cocoa because it's always my favorite at the upper side because it's my color. And for those who follow my videos, I always go on at the front part with dark cocoa. And to set my eyelids, I'm going to use a leg up for concealer in a shade Fawn. Before I apply the eyeshadow, for the eyeshadow, I'm going to use Jaclyn Hill in Morphe. And I always tap it in. And for the waterliner, I want to do a wig waterliner because this eyeshadow is a kinda neutral. And for the mascara, I always use two mascaras because I like my eyelashes popping. And here is a trick, guys. In this video, I applied a trick. Don't open your mascara like that. No, that's wrong. Otherwise, you rotate it around because you don't want your mascara to dry. And for priming, I'm going to use Rommel. Yeah, it's Rommel in Finishing Last. And this primer is, oh my god, this is the best primer I've ever used because it moisturizes your skin. It keeps your makeup like fresh. And for moisturizing, I'm going to use Cover Cocoa 24K. And for foundation, I'm going to use Advanced Radiance in Carrot, I think, yeah. Applying it all over my face, and I'm going to use a damn beauty blender, but always remember to wet it before and tap it in. Don't drag your foundation. And to conceal, I'm going to use the same concealer I used to conceal my eyebrows, and that's a Lega Pro concealer in a shade Cool Tan. And I'm going to use a beauty blender like to tap it in. I prefer a beauty blender because this like it settles the the concealer, yeah, in the skin more than a brush. And to get a better finish, guys, you take your time while blending, because girl, blending is everything. Yeah, so blend it in. And to contour, I'm going to use my palette, Jacqueline Hill palette, and I'm going to find a dark shade to contour my face. And for that I use a blush because this foundation is a kind of powder. And for my nose, I always use a smaller brush to contour my nose, and I'm using the same eyeshadow color. And while blending in like your nose, contouring your nose, you take the powder like downwards to give it a clear finishing look. Yeah, girl, like we're going to use that Kylie powder. Yeah, while baking, don't choose a lot of product, guys. Yeah, don't bake with a lot of product because you don't want your face to look cakey. You want fresh makeup look. And after, I'm going to use a legal finishing spray. And after, I'm using my powder. It's from Khalid, but of my color. And to highlight my nose, I'm going to use a golden shimmer eyeshadow, and I'm going to use that on the tip of my nose. And after, to line my lips, I'm going to use Davis number 18 eyebrow pencil. And again, to line my lips, I'm going to use Morphe in a shade 19. And I'm following the first shape I created with a pencil. And after, I used Romantic Bird in a shade Violent Romantic. Yeah, girl, tap, tap, tap it. After, I applied some finishing spray, and I went in with my powder again. I applied a little gloss on my lips because nowadays, I don't know why, I like more gloss than none.